Removing auto line spacing. When you look at this, it's scattered, not ordered. So the line spacing is more than enough, or more than you can ever imagine. So the first thing is you highlight all. When you highlight all, you click paragraphing. You could say one. You go back there, you say remove space after paragraph. You can see it's now okay. Now you can adjust. You now change the case, capitalize each word. Now we are here. You do this. Now you place normal. Now these are names. Shift F3 is what I'm doing. This wrong spelling, you click. So you could highlight also 14. So now you highlight this back and say back 1, decreasing that is normal. So you have what you need. So you could see now you can go up and go more. Thank you for watching. You feel good.